Every transformation begins with a foundation, a place for everything, and everything in its place. At Kaizen Institute, we help organizations around the world build that foundation through 5S, the first step toward operational excellence. 5S is a framework for simplifying and organizing workspaces. It was first defined by Hiroyuki Hirano and built on 5 Japanese words. Eliminate what's unnecessary so only what's useful remains. Organize what's needed in a simple, visual way. Clean and inspect to restore ideal working conditions. Create visual standards to maintain order and clarity. Build habits that last, sustaining improvement every day. 5S reduces search time, improves access to materials and information, and brings visible results, from greater efficiency to stronger engagement. It's not just about organization. It's about culture, creating workplaces where clarity drives performance. The 5S principles apply everywhere, in production lines, warehouses, offices, and even digital spaces. From floor markings and maintenance kits to organized folders and clean data structures, 5S creates flow, safety, and pride in the workplace. Leadership plays a key role, guiding teams, reinforcing habits, and ensuring that improvements last. Our 5S training is hands-on, practical, and designed for every environment: production, logistics, office, or digital. In just 8 hours of interactive sessions, your teams will learn how to implement, standardize, and sustain improvement. Empower your people to simplify, organize, and sustain improvement. Start your journey toward operational excellence with Kaizen Institute.